And welcome back again to the Nutley Cisco Academy. We are presenting concepts in routing.
Alrighty. Well, we have the routing table. So the routing table is basically the one that stores information about directly connected routes, which these come from an active router interfaces, and remote routes, which are remote networks connected to other routers. And with this, the router can provide additional route information, including how the route was learned, how long the route has been in the table, and which specific interface to use to get to a predefined destination. You could also be able to find it by putting show IP route. And the route table is inside the data file in RAM.
Directly connected routes. Directly connected routes are always the best path to a subnet. Since they're configured directly on a router's interface, they get an administrative distance of 0. When an IP address is added to an interface, the router will automatically create a directly connected route in its forwarding table.
Static connected routes. Static connected routes are manually configured routes which are added to the routing tables. They define an explicit path between two networking devices. Static routes are not automatically updated and must be manually reconfigured. If the network topology changes, the benefits of using static routes include improved security, less bandwidth usage, and no CPU cycles are used to calculate and communicate routes. The only disadvantage to static routes are that they're not automatically reconfigured if the network topology changes.
Dynamically configured routes use specific protocols in order to learn new routes. The different protocols include RIP, EIGRP, OSPF, ISIS, and BGP. RIP stands for Routing Information Protocol and has 3 versions, V1, V2, and NG. V1 is a classful protocol, meaning that the entire network has to have the same subnet mask. V2 is a classful protocol, meaning that it allows VLSM and carries subnet information. RIP-NG is the same as RIP-V2, except it uses IPv6 addresses. EIGRP stands for Enhanced Interior Gateway Routing Protocol. EIGRP is a hybrid protocol which transmits data about connected IP addresses to its neighbors. OSPF stands for Open Shortest Path First. It is a link state protocol. OSPF uses the concept of areas to divide the network into subsections. ISIS stands for Intermediate System to Intermediate System. ISIS is similar to OSPF, however, OSPF runs on the network layer, while ISIS runs on the data layer. This means that OSPF uses IP addresses, while ISIS uses MAC addresses. BGP stands for Border Gateway Protocol. BGP is an external gateway protocol, EGP, which is only used for border gateway routers. It is an external protocol used to connect with other routers outside of administration.
And here are our questions. And here are the answers. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. And thank you for watching.